Hello everybody, Joshua McGrath from Doppler Interactive coming at you once more because, goodness, I missed you. I was looking at my post frequency on the blog recently, and it certainly seems to me like productivity and blog posting are inversely correlated. Anyway, thought I'd bring you an update of Ball of Woe, which was the ball-related game using TileMapper in Unity that I showed you last time. I'm going to go ahead and press play so we get productive before the 30-second mark, which is right now. Fantastic. So I've been working on menus, and menus, I gotta tell you, are the most soul-crushingly boring thing to program, even though this is a very small one. It's annoying. In any case, this is your ball selection screen. We've got three in there right now. This is the Ball of Woe, and I'll read you the title or the description more accurately because I'm not sure if you can see it in your small YouTube window. The original ball of writhing sadness. You think you hear muffled voices, but it could be the wind. That's Ball of Woe. That's your default ball. Ball of bones. A rolling stone gathers no moss, but it also doesn't deconstruct bodies, so here we are. And our test one, the amazing Ball O. When the Lord asks for a volunteer from the audience, it's not heresy to shrink down in your seat. Let's go ahead and get the default one for a test. I'll go ahead and click OK, and then we'll choose our rod/torch. I've only got one of those right here. You think it's granite, but you're no geologist. Let's go into the game. So as you can see, there's our chosen ball pulsing away with furious anger in the middle there. And I'll read out what our dear friend is saying. O Grand Honcho, O Kong of Worlds, use your mighty biceps and triceps, wrist flexors and quads to shift this sphere of our troubles. I mean, I'd do it myself, but I have a party to get to. Go ahead and click start, and bam, we're over the mark. The deer says, dude, watch the antlers, because we've liberated him from his woe. As you can see, the platforms over which we roll become woeless, that is wrapped up by the woeful. Our handy assistance here. We sew the world back together, he says. You can see that little animated particle there. I went ahead and hand animated that because I'm the sharing, caring kind of guy. There's a devotee. Let's run him over. Bam! I am but a patch on the quilt of life, he says. Cool. So as you can see, we're just clicking, adding a force to our ball, rolling around the joint. The platform texture has been beautifully updated by Miss Jessica, the designer. The only designer. Oh, you can see we've got a bit of UI going on here. I went ahead and made that custom font. You can see top right, bottom left, bottom right, which sort of fits in with the whole ball motif. I'm actually pretty happy with that. I think it looks nice. So as you can see, we've got color-coded dialogue boxes, so that it gives a little bit of personality to whosoever is speaking. Ooh, that's 4 ramps in a row. That's a very rare thing. I'm going to make that an achievement. Even though, it's really not up to the user. It's up to the map generation. That was a personal best. Achievement notification. 33 platforms in a row. As you can see, it doesn't record high scores, so you're going to get them even if you do one in a row. I'll explain the UI a little bit to you, I guess. Bottom left, platform multiplier, however many platforms you hit in a row, got to hit the center so the woe will come up. That'll keep going up so you earn more woe, that's the top right. And bottom right is, oh man, I'm even going to save that. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You'll see in a coming video once we've laid a soundtrack down on top of this bad boy. So maybe I'll end this video with a nice sort of view from here of ourselves, the woeful, a devotee up in the corner, and the track all the way below us, all wrapped up. Bearing in mind test textures, I did these quilt ones here. I'll pass them to young Jessica when she's finished her current work, and that'll be all finalized. So that's an update from my side of the screen. I'm very excited about this project. It's coming along quite nicely. Gonna stick in some soundtrack and some sort of social media integration so you can tweet the hilarious things that people say. And I will end this video on the game over transition by going off the edge. Bam.